أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. In this session, we are discussing the letter Alif in Thuluth script or Khatta Thuluth. The Alif is a vertical letter consisting of a single stroke along with a flicked hilya on top. Contrary to common misconception, the Alif is not perfectly vertical. It is in fact slanted slightly towards left from the top. The first stroke starts from the top and moves down slightly towards right. The full length of the stroke is 7 nuqta. However, the Thuluth script provides ample flexibility with this measurement. The stroke is linear for the first 6 nuqtas and then it curves downwards. You can start from the top of the letter, then it is straight and it would be going towards the right. Towards the right on the first stroke. Then coming to left as a pointed tail. This tail can be obtained by just doing this motion towards left. The second stroke of the Alif is flicked hilya on the top of the initial vertical stroke. This could be scripted by flicking the wrist downwards and towards the right. It could also be sketched in using the tip of the column. The hilya is 1 nuqta wide and about a nuqta and a half tall. You can start it with here, that is, you have to space it like that. 1 millimeter distance can be kept. Then you can just start here and just flick it. You can finish it with our tip of the column. You can do once more. If you found this video useful, please like and share to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.